What's up everyone? So today is another day here in beautiful Thailand. We've come to a lesser known island called Koh Mak. We just arrived here now. We came here from Koh Chang. We got the boat from there. It was about 2 hours I think overall, and it cost 400 baht per person. And right now we're in a really awesome resort called Mira Montra Resort. It is $92 on booking.com. And yeah, I'll just give you a quick tour because this place is really awesome. So this is the main sleeping area here. Got a huge bed. Even got a little sofa on this one. Got a pretty good sized TV. I think they said it has all the international channels. Just a little kettle and tea and coffee and stuff here. Also got a little mini fridge down here as well. Got some water in there. And then through here we just have a place to put our bags and clothes. On this side you got a little lock here, keep your things secure. And then this way we have the pretty modern looking bathroom. Got a pretty cool looking sink here. And also a very modern looking shower. Even has this slidey door inside. I guess if you want to speak to someone else quickly in the bedroom, you can slide it open. And then the best part is easily through here, you get this amazing view. So I think that is a private beach down there just for this resort. So all this is the same resort. And we're staying in a place like these, one of these buildings here. Let's go. So we just got our sunbeds here right next to the pool. Yeah, you can see it's pretty much like a infinity pool here. When was the last time we were in a swimming pool?
I don't know.
I don't know. Over a year?
Houston.
Oh, Houston, yeah. Wasn't like this though. Yes, I can definitely say that this is easily one of the best resorts that we've ever been in. Never been in a pool like this before, right on an amazing beach. I'll just give you a better view from the edge here. So it literally is just right next to it. Not that many people here at all. Beautiful turquoise color, the ocean. And here you can see some of the beach facing bungalows. And back there is the restaurant area. So I forgot to mention before, free breakfast is actually included in the price, so yeah, we'll see how that is tomorrow. So here is the nice beach, nice and peaceful beach. Seems like the majority of the hotels in here. So we're actually just gonna go on a kayak adventure now. The hotel has them here for free. So if you're staying at this resort, yeah, you can take these whenever you want, I think, with no charge. And yeah, we got our pedals here. Just need to pass sunscreen first.
Yeah, it's very hot today.
Yeah, it is pretty boiling. Luckily the water's pretty calm right now, so shouldn't be too hard. And we're actually gonna head to that island over there. Looks quite far, but yeah, I think we should be able to make it in about 30 minutes. From what we read, that's supposed to have one of the nicest beaches in Thailand, so yeah, we're pretty excited to see how the beach is there. we have made it. Check that out for some white sand. Water looks beautiful here as well. So this island here is called Koh Kham, and you gotta pay 200 baht per person when you arrive. There's a guy that will approach you, and yeah, you just pay him. And that includes a free drink per person as well. So yeah, you just gotta pay that, I guess, private island fee, and then you can enjoy the island.
Not bad.
Yeah, I know. I think this is the clearest water we've seen in Thailand.
Yeah.
And it's not even that sunny right now.
No, it's not. Yeah, the sand is very white, so.
Yeah, that's probably the widest sand I've ever seen in Thailand as well. So I'm guessing that's why they say this is one of the nicest beaches here.
A lot of corals over there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check later.
Yeah, we should go.
Goggles.
Yeah, we should go snorkeling. So look, we're basically on some like empty island paradise right now. There were a few other people there that I think arrived on kayaks as well. I think there's boat trips that come here, so it might get busier later on, but yeah, right now it's just me, Carol, and this island all to ourselves. So the interesting thing about this island is you can probably see this hotel behind me. It's an abandoned hotel. From what I read, some rich person bought the island to make some private resort or something. And then I don't know what happened, but it basically never got finished. So right now you have the buildings of what was gonna be the hotel, but yeah, it never opened. So I'm guessing this would have been some sort of 5-star resort. The building goes all the way to the bottom as well. I'll check it out later on. I think you can actually go inside, so yeah, we might go in there and check it out.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, now it's time to check out the abandoned resort. There's probably nothing inside, right?
Yeah, I think it's just the building itself.
Yeah, just the structure. Guess this is like the building material.
The infinity pool.
Oh yeah.
It would be an infinity pool.
Wow, so I guess this room here would have had an infinity pool and then an amazing sea view like this. That's a $500 room right there.
Yeah, probably.
Here we got some more of the baller rooms. Look at that for a view. That would be an amazing room. So we've just come to the other side of the beach now. Got ourselves some Sprites with the free drink ticket. And this is pretty much where everybody comes, the majority of the people, because there's a bar there. And the beach area actually looks really nice there. We'll check it out after we finish the drink. You gonna go snorkeling again?
Yeah, I'll check those rocks over there.
Yeah. Almost looks like volcanic rock.
It's very dark.
Yeah, very dark. I think the beach on this side looks even nicer.
Yeah, it's very beautiful, the island here and over there.
Yeah. Beautiful clear water here. Like we said before, we don't think we've ever seen this kind of water in Thailand so far. And this little beach looks awesome as well.
So this snorkeling point is even better than the first one. Wasn't expecting that.
We're gonna head back out on the kayak now. Goodbye, beautiful island. So from our way back from the island, we decided to stop at this beach here. This is what I call a proper jungle beach. Check this out, just full of huge trees everywhere. Completely deserted here. I don't think it's really a beach that people come to. It's pretty close to our resort though. I think if you walk about 5-10 minutes along the coast, you can find this place. Yeah, this is really cool though. Something pretty different. So this is one of the main things that makes Koh Mak appealing to a lot of people. Obviously a lot of the Thailand islands these days are very developed, very popular and full of tourists, right? So not many of them are that quiet anymore. But Koh Mak is still one of the rare islands that a lot of it is pretty much undeveloped and wild like this. And even as you're going around the island, there's loads of beaches like this. So yeah, just a very unique island for Thailand, that's for sure. And if you're one of the people that prefer more of a quiet holiday or a quiet island experience, well, Koh Mak's definitely the place for you, I think. So it's the next morning now. We're just heading down to the restaurant to check out the breakfast buffet here at the resort, Mira Montra. Here we have the pretty big buffet. Got loads of juice drink options here. So we got some bread for toast. Don't know what that is, like a croissant I think. Loads of fruit, watermelon, pineapple, yogurt, bananas. Pineapple for me. And here we got the egg and the meat options. Some pancakes as well. I went for the healthy fruity breakfast with 2 toasts, and Carol got pretty much the same, just with egg. What's that?
Nutella and pancake.
Nutella. And you get this awesome view of the beach. So I'm gonna close the video out now. We're gonna be leaving this resort soon. We're gonna be heading to Bangkok. This place really has been a peaceful getaway in Thailand. Easily the most peaceful place we've ever been in Thailand so far. I mean, just look at this right now. Just empty beaches. Yeah, just so laid back. And I'll link all the info to this resort in the description of this video if you're interested in staying here. And the location is great. So even from here you can see Koh Kham is right there. And then around this corner is that jungle beach that we went to yesterday. So yeah, just loads of awesome stuff. And our next videos are now gonna be from the Philippines. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be heading to the Philippines. Really looking forward to that. So yeah, just stay tuned for that if you're interested. As always, just drop a like on the video to help support us. Subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram if you like to see where we're traveling in real time. And we'll see you in the next one.